Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to find the square root of a number using the factorization method, prime factorization method. What is square root? Square root of a number is the value that when multiplied by itself gives the original number. For example, square root 25 is equal to 5 because 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. Okay, so the square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself gives the original number. Okay, let's learn how to find the square root. Firstly, we write the prime factor of 36. How we can find the square root of 36? We are going to make its prime factors. How we can make them? If we divide it into 2, 2 ones are 2, we can carry from there 1, so this will be 16, 2 8s are 16. So prime factor of 36 are 18 and 2. Okay, now we can divide 18 into 2. 2 9s are 18. So prime factors of 18 are 9 and 2. Again, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So these all are prime factors of 36. We will make pairs of same numbers. For example, pairs are 2 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now take one number from each pair. Square root 36 will be equals to, take one number from each pair. Select 2 from this pair and 3 from this pair. We will multiply these numbers. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So square root 36 is equal to 6. Okay. Now let's take example number 2. We are choosing the second example is 64. Okay, now we will make the pairs of 64. We will make the factors of 64. Now we can divide 64 into 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, again 2 1s are 2. We can carry from there 1. 2 6 are 12. So okay, now divide 16 into 2. 2 8s are 16. Divide 8 into 2. 2 4s are 8. Divide 4 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Divide 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2. So make pairs of these numbers. This pair, this pair, this pair. We can write 64 is equal to pairs of 2, again pairs of 2, again pairs of 2. So there are 3 pairs of 2. This is 2. Now square root 64 will be, choose the one number from each pair. Choose 2 from this pair. Choose 2 from this pair. Choose 2 from this pair. Now multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s times 8. So square root 64 will be equals to 8. You will practice square root 144 and square root 100. Okay, these are your practice questions. Now I am giving you another example. Let's find the square root of number 225. Okay, let's making the prime factors of 225. We can divide into 5 because the last number, if 5 and 0, we can divide that number on 5. Okay, 5 4s are 20. From this one we can carry 2 on 5 and this will make 25. 5 5s are 25. Again we can divide into 5 on this. 5 9s are 45. Means factors of 45 are 9 5. Now again we can divide 9 on 3. 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. So these are prime factors of 225. We have to write pairs of each number. 5 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 3. Now we want to find square root of 225 and we will choose each number from one number from each pair. For example, in this pair we will choose 1 5 multiply by choose 3 from this pair, and square root 225 will be equals to 5 threes are 15. So your next practice question is 256. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.